Hello, Shruti Javanjal.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Acha?
Now okay. Now okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Shruti Javanjal, you are from which state?
Sir, I'm from Amaravati, Maharashtra.
Which date is your interview date fixed or not fixed?
No, sir, not fixed yet.
Very good. What is your basic qualification?
Sir, I have completed my post-graduation in computer science and engineering and graduation from in information technology.
Acha. Which year did you complete? What was the CGPA scored by you?
Sir, I have completed my post-graduation in 2016 with 73.37% and I have completed my graduation in 2014 with 65%.
Good. This is one way of asking. Supposing
Yes, sir.
they ask you to introduce yourself, how will you go about? I think you would have done it in our group discussion classes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
do it briefly.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Shruti Zavanja. I'm from Amaravati, Maharashtra. I have completed my post-graduation in computer science and engineering in 2016 with the 73.37%. I did my graduation in information and technology in 2014 and I have completed my 12th from Vidyabharati Mahavidyalaya. I did my 10th from Ganesh Das Rathi Vidyalaya. Talking about my strength,
Mm.
talking about my strength, I'm good in communication skill. I interact with people more easily. I'm having a leadership quality and I have a creative nature. While pursuing my engineering, I have participated in elocution competition in the youth festival, as well as I have arranged some cultural activities and I did anchoring of that activities also.
Good.
And
Very
in
good.
my
Good.
life,
Yeah.
yes.
Now from 2014, what are you doing?
So actually what happened in 2016, I have completed the post-graduation and I started for preparation of a banking. But because of some family issues, I could not continue it. So I again started in at the end of 2018. And from that, I am preparing from bank exam.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
here, okay, you don't have to tell the reason.
Okay,
There
sir.
you tell the reason openly that may give more weightage. Now the
Okay,
next
sir.
question will be: you have been trying from 2018. Why
Yes, sir.
why could you not succeed till now? Were you able to attend any interview earlier?
No, sir. I have only appeared for mains, but I always lack of some 0.25 marks. I just lost the mains examination only. So
Acha.
that's why. And
Very
this
good.
is my first interview that I am attending for a federal bank.
Very good. Good, good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Excellent. Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is your father?
So my father is a retired state government tribal officer. He was extension officer in the tribal department.
I think is this the first time you are taking interview or
No,
second,
sir.
second time?
Second time. Yes,
Second
sir.
time. Very good. Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Good, good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yeah. Now, what are your special strengths which makes you think that you are unique and you should be given more preference?
So, as talking about this job, this in bank normally we need a person having a good communication skill who can interact with the customer. So I'm good in communication skill as I'm from an engineering background. I can handle the technology and I'm updated with the technology. And when we talk about the bank system, there are many things when you have to show your leadership quality. You have to lead sometime any team, so I have that leadership quality also. And in case of any problem solving with the customer, I can talk, I can interact with them. So that's why I think I'm a good applicant for this job.
Good. Will you take
Yes,
up
sir.
a job if you are posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Will your parents permit you? Are you not the only girl child?
No, sir, I'm only girl child, but I have a elder brother also, and he's married.
Mhm.
So they will permit me definitely.
So it's not a problem.
No, sir, it's not a problem.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Um, yeah. So now, please tell me will you take up a job which involves selling also, marketing also?
Yes, sir. Definitely. I will take a selling or marketing job.
How do you think you are suitable for marketing?
So in case of marketing or selling, we have to sell a product of a bank. We have to do the marketing. And in that marketing, basically, we have to go in the territory of a customer. Which kind of a customer, what is expectation of that customer from a bank. And we have to mainly interact with the customer. And we have to convince them that this product is good for them. I am well in interacting with the people. So I think I will be suitable for the marketing and the sales job
Hmm.
in the banking. Yes.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, what do you know about RBI?
Sir, RBI is mainly the Central Bank of India. Basically, when we talk about economy of India, then RBI plays a very important role. RBI does so many functions. RBI is doing a monetary authority. It is a banker to bank. It is a banker to government. It issues the currency, as well as it monitors the system. It monitors the economic system, and it also do the foreign exchange also. So
Good.
and yes, sir.
Foreign exchange transaction.
Yes,
It
sir.
takes care of foreign exchange transactions
Foreign
and the
exchange.
maintenance of foreign exchange reserves.
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you know what are the subsidiaries of RBI?
Yes, sir. Subsidiaries like NABARD, DICGC. After that, IRDA, and then now I think the NAFED is also included in this subsidiaries.
No. Now there has been DICGC is correct.
Yes, sir. NABARD.
Then NABARD is not correct.
NABARD. Okay.
NABARD is not subsidiary of RBI.
Okay.
National Housing Bank.
National NHB.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran
Mudran.
Private Limited, BRBNMPL.
Yes.
It was established on 3rd February 1995. Headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. That has two banknote presses in Mysore and Salboni. It is a private limited company that is not listed on stock market exchange. Now I think the chairman must be not Kanungo, somebody else who is a deputy
Okay.
governor. Earlier it was deputy governor. I have given one link in our telegram. Please change the person in charge and all. Other than that, it is okay. Okay, very good. So this question they have asked yesterday for a girl. Of course, she has done MBA. For her, they have asked this question.
Yes.
Then you are from which place? Aurangabad.
No, sir. I'm from Amaravati.
So for a Aurangabad girl, they have asked question. Tell us how to maintain and protect historical place. Amravati
Yes,
is an
sir.
historical place.
Yes, sir. It is historical place.
Please tell
We
us,
have,
tell us a brief historical background of Amravati.
So in Amaravati, it is known as it has the many temples. The main temple is the Ambanagri. It is known as the Ambanagri in Vidarbha. In Ambanagri, there is a historic place like Amba Devi temple, and many peoples across the Maharashtra visit that temple at a very large extent. And when we talk about the Amaravati, it is called as a Santanchi Bhumi, means people across the India, and one of the most important thing from people from here or people from many states, they go to the Pandharpur. The main law is God is a Vitthal. They do the worship of a Vitthal, and there are also some wildlife sanctuaries like and we have a
Good.
yes.
See,
Yes.
you're talking well, but iska thoda briefly bolna hai. You tell about history also. Who are the kings associated with Amaravati?
King, sir, I don't know.
I also don't know. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes, sir.
please try to know from that angle. Now tell us,
Okay.
Amaravati, who are all important persons in Amaravati? Don't tell
Important.
me, don't tell me I am important. That's okay. So you should tell the name of ministers from your place. You should tell the name of MLA, MP from your place.
Okay, sir. I know the MLA Praveen Pote Sarji
Hmm.
and the wife of Mr. Ravi Rana, Navneet Rana,
Mhm.
uh, and I know two, three names.
Better,
These
better,
two, three names.
better revise those names. Now
Yes, sir.
tell me who is the present speaker of Maharashtra Lok Sabha? Sorry, Maharashtra Assembly.
Legislative Assembly,
Hmm.
uh, Mr. Narvekar.
Why his name is very unique nowadays?
So, because he has been elected recently, and he is the youngest speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly.
Acha. Maharashtra
Yes,
Legislative
sir.
Assembly or any legislative assembly? He is the youngest speaker.
Yes, youngest speaker.
One minute.
Yes.
What is his name?
1 second, sir. I have written over his name. Rahul Narvekar. Mr. Rahul
Rahul
Narvekar.
Narvekar.
Narvekar. Yes.
Rahul Narvekar, youngest speaker in the country.
Yes, sir.
That is why it is important.
Yes, sir.
Is youngest speaker in the country as a whole. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So which states have legislative council also? I know you may not know the answer for this. Which states have legislative council?
Sorry, sir. I don't know about this.
There are 6 states having legislative council. 6 out of 28 states, they are Andhra Pradesh,
Yes.
Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh. Because when we talk about assembly, there will be a
Yes,
question
sir.
like this.
Okay, sir.
I have given that detail in the Telegram page also.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, what is UPI?
So UPI is basically Unified Payment Interface. It is launched by the Npci National Payment Corporation. Through UPI, we can transfer money online from a one bank account to other bank account easily. It is 24/7 available, and it is very fast.
Good. Can you tell
Yes.
me? Can you tell me what are the other products of our NPCI?
Yes, sir. Other products including UPI. There, so is it audible properly? Because I think disturbances there outside.
What is going on? Some
So
function?
no, sir. Actually, there is a wedding. Wedding is going on outside, and the groom in Maharashtra. There, the groom have to just take their rally kind of a thing. They take
Procession.
a rally. Yes, sir.
Procession. Acha, acha. ठीक है, कोई
Then
बात.
they.
No problem. Let that go on, and we will also go. Let us be.
Yes, sir.
Let us be in
Yes,
a
sir.
marriage atmosphere.
Yes, sir. This happens because I live in a very crowded area. There is a temple over there, and sometimes the bhajan is going on.
Good.
Sometimes, yes, sir.
No problem. But your
Yes,
voice,
sir.
I am able to hear your voice. It's coming
Yes, sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
बताइए, what are
Yes,
the
sir.
other products of NPCI?
So, including UPI, the other products of Npci is RuPay. After that, IMPS, immediate payment service. After that, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Then RTGS, real time gross settlement. And there is also the new Aadhaar enabled bridge system. And NACH is also provided by the Npci.
Now, whether NEFT is it is not a product of Npci. It has been introduced by Reserve Bank of India only. So I think it will not complete. Check up that. Read that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
NEFT, RTGS, though they are remittance systems, I think
Yes,
they
sir.
are not being controlled or administered or guided by NPCI. Please check up that and clarify to me through a message.
So actually, that in Infinity book, there is a special page of that NPCI, and under that part, they have given this 6 to 7 points.
Acha?
NEFT. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
sir.
Kaval?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am going to NPCI page. Just a minute. NPCI page I am going. Let me find out about just a minute. Why
Yes, sir.
NPCI is not coming? npci.org.in. Acha, if it is given, it is all right, but please check it up.
Yes, sir. I will definitely check.
I'm not sure about it. Doesn't
Yes,
matter.
sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha. They are correct. It may be because in one interview they have asked about UPI, RTGS, NEFT also.
Yes, sir.
One candidate, MBA Finance, they
Yes,
have
sir.
asked these questions. So it may be correct. Good.
Yes, sir. I will cross check it. And
Yeah.
I will let.
What is
I
the
will
difference between NEFT and RTGS?
So NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer, and RTGS is real time gross settle. In NEFT, the transfer of online payment is done one by one, and the minimum limit is 2 lakh. And in RTGS,
No, wrong. Only
I think in only
RTGS only 2 lakh.
2 lakh. Yes, I just.
And
And
NEFT,
in
it is done in batches, 48 batches
batches.
per day,
And
every
in
half an hour.
And in RTGS, it is not done in batches, and we have to wait for half an hour for the beneficiary to credit that particular amount. And as in RTGS, the minimum amount is 2 lakh.
Immediately credited.
Yes.
RTGS is real time.
Yes, real
RTGS
time.
is real time and it is
Real
credited
time.
immediately. Good. You told nicely.
And sir, I think in NEFT there is no limit for the transaction.
No limit. Correct.
Upper limit.
Correct.
Yes.
What is your family background?
Family background, sir. In my family there are 6 members including me. My father is a retired government officer. My mother is housewife. My brother is doing job in a private company. My sister-in-law is a housewife, and I have 2-year-old niece.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What do you know about banking? Can you explain why banking is important for our country?
Yes, sir. So, in banking is a financial institution which accept deposit as well as it gives loans to the customer. When we talk about the economy of any country, then there should be the given of loan as well as accepting of deposit, so that the people will be conscious about the saving of money and the importance of money. The main concept of a bank is that the money should be kept properly, and security. The security in banks with the money is more than any other financial institution. So for any economy, for the economy of any country, the growth comes from the banking institution. And if there is any natural calamity or any pandemic situation comes, then it also affects economy as well as a banking institution. So when banking downgrade, the economy of a country also downgraded. So bank system is very important for any country.
Good.
Yes.
Are you reading newspapers regularly?
Yes, I have started reading
Don't say like a child, I have started reading. Say yes, that will do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very
So
good.
I read from app. So
Right.
should I
Now,
tell the app?
no,
Yes.
don't tell the name of app and all that. Not required.
Okay.
Do you read newspaper? The answer is yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to ask you, what is the news you have read in the last 2-3 days?
So yesterday I read that Mr. Rahul Narvekar is the youngest speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. After that, the Miss Sini Shetty, she is the Miss India, recent Miss India. After that,
She is from which state?
she is from Karnataka.
Good.
She's
Good.
from Karnataka, 21 years old, Sini Setti.
Very good.
After that, the SBI Finance and the IDFC First Bank, they also did the bank assurance agreement. After that, SBI First, I think SBI, once SBI and Aditya Birla Group, they also did one agreement where they are providing the reward points to the customers through their app.
Good.
And
Now there was some news about uh, United Kingdom Ministry. What is the news about that? Britain Ministry.
uh,
Who is the Prime Minister of Britain?
Joe,
Don't.
Mr. Joe Biden.
Huh? Prime Minister of Britain. Joe
Sorry,
Biden.
sir.
Joe Biden is from United States of America. Mr. Boris Johnson is
Yes,
the UK Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
Now UK Ministry is in the news because the Finance Minister of UK has resigned.
Yes.
It is more in you know that
So I read, but I'm not able to
it
know
is
the name of
it is very
finance minister.
it is very much in news in India because he is son-in-law of Mr. Narayana Murthy of Infosys.
Yes,
And
yes,
he
yes.
has resigned because his wife, that is daughter of Narayana Murthy, was supposed to be richer than the Queen of Britain. And it
Okay.
seems she has not declared certain incomes properly for making payment of income tax and all that. So his name was spoiled, and with the result, he has also felt it right to come out. So please read about that.
Yes, sir.
That Jamela.
Yes, yes.
Good.
I read that news, but I was not able to remember the name.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Yes, yes.
You are from Maharashtra. Is there
Yes.
any Maharashtra minister from Maharashtra in Union Cabinet?
Union Cabinet, yes, sir. One second. I remember the name. Mr. Devendra Fadnavis recently, and
No. He is the deputy chief minister.
yes, and that Mr. Nitin Gadkari.
Achha, what is he? Which minister is
In
he?
road transport. Not so sure about it, but I need to check it out.
Yeah, here
Yes.
here I find some names. Whether they are really there now, I don't know.
Yes.
So I'll check up kar lijiye, because this type of odd question you will get it. No.
Yes.
So you must be prepared for that. Now, what is a Dmat account?
So Dmat accounts is a dematerialized account. Dematerialized account. When any person want to invest or buy the shares into the share market, then he needs to open this Dmat account in which every transaction is done electronically.
Super.
There is no
good.
Any, yes.
You know this answer. Who is the Commerce Minister?
Mr. Piyush Goyal.
How many digits are there in IFSC?
11 digits.
What is the expansion of MSME?
Micro, small and medium enterprises.
What is the definition of a medium enterprise?
So in medium enterprise, you told in yesterday class, this
investment of maximum of 50 crores and turnover maximum 250 crores.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What are your hobbies?
So I like to do yoga, and in my free time, I like to play with my niece.
Good.
Yes.
How old is your niece?
She's 2 years old.
So what are the things that she is doing about which you are very happy?
So she is always curious to go outside, and she always take me outside, and she called me Atu, just go outside, and she's ready to play always with her cycle. She wants to play the cricket,
Oh.
and she is very curious about making friends. And her friends are elder than her. And
Good, good.
I learn so many things from her.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Thank you. Then
Yes, sir.
best wishes. Today you are done very well. But
Uh,
of course, there will be some mistakes you can't answer that happens. Don't
yes,
worry.
sir.
You be
Yes, sir.
attending the classes regularly. Follow
Yes.
the current affairs. Follow the banking. Follow
Yes.
Federal Bank. Then
Okay.
next interview, I will concentrate on Federal Bank when you come,
Yes, sir.
and so that you can answer them very well.
So
Today,
I have
today
one.
your performance was good only. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So I have one query as I'm from engineering background. So what kind of question may they ask, like how engineering is helpful for banking?
No.
Or
Why banking after engineering? We have already
yes, yes,
discussed about that.
yes, sir.
Then
And
what under information technology? How information technology is useful for banking?
yes, sir.
What are the services related to information technology?
Okay.
And then under information technology, they can also ask you what is broadband, what is 5G, 4G, then what is a LAN, WAN,
LAN
and
WAN. Yes.
what is topology, then
Topology.
how ATMs are interconnected, what are the
Uh,
different types of networking that are there, and what way you can be of more use for the bank.
Bank. Sir,
That,
in that banker Sadda PDF, there are many questions related to
yeah,
computer.
please
Yes.
go through that also.
And sir,
Prepare yourself. I will ask questions next time.
I have a one query about that gap of my.
Yeah,
Uh,
that is the real problem for you now, because
yes.
you passed out in 2016.
Yes.
Now 6 years gap, but this you forget and smile and answer.
2 years is of because of my mother
You tell
health
your
problem.
health
Yes.
problem, after which you are preparing, and you are also
Yes.
you tell them that you teach for your children near your house, second
Yes.
standard, third standard,
Hmm.
like ABCD and max and all that, and
Yes.
geography. So read about Indian geography like that.
Okay. Okay.
Good. Best wishes.
So I have a doubt that it will affect
Yeah,
them. I mean,
it will be a big problem for you. And
yes.
in spite of they're going to demotivate you, they will ask, you have to stay positive, smile, and then answer.
Okay.
I know they will be asking very embarrassing questions. अरे 6 साल से कुछ नहीं किया, इधर आके क्या करेगा तुम? बोलो.
Yes.
और 6 साल का अंदर में हमारा बैंक में तो इधर उधर हम लोग डालेंगे, आप जाएंगे? Likewise.
Okay.
Anyhow, don't worry, you can manage them very well. Best wishes.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
So this will come in YouTube after a few minutes. You
Yes,
just
sir.
watch how you can improve. You check up.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. But
Thank you, sir.
this 6 year gap is a very important thing. But sometimes they may leave that also. So
Yes, sir.
you,
It's. I was thinking about it, but I also think that it's not the last thing I can do. I can give my 100%. Whatever
yeah,
knowledge I am having, I can pursue only that. I
very good.
cannot do about that 6 year gap, and I cannot expect them to treat me whatever the freshers are treating. This is the reality, and I have to express myself.
And for them, the advantage is here is a person who can talk nicely, who can
Yes,
communicate
sir.
properly. That is
So the query in my mind was just disturbing me, but after some time, my parents also told me this: don't care about it. Just go and give your 100% and be honest to them, so that
best
there
wishes.
nothing will. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.